Your brain isn't trying to help you, it's trying to protect you by keeping you soft, scared, and silent. That voice that tells you to skip the gym, to scroll a little longer, to start tomorrow. That's not laziness. That's a defense system. But today, that system breaks. You're about to learn how to override your brain and force it to crave the hard path. Your brain wasn't built for progress. It was built for survival. It avoids anything that feels painful, uncertain, or energy-consuming. That's why it rewards comfort in Netflix, junk food, social media. The easy path. But here's the truth. The easy path doesn't build warriors. It builds watchers, consumers, people who dream but never move. And every time you obey that voice, you dig the rut deeper until you become a slave to your own mind. But there's a way out. And it starts with one idea. Pain is not your enemy. It's your signal. Pain is the price. The currency you pay for power, growth, clarity, and self-respect. Most people hear that inner voice say, "This is too hard," and they stop. But not you. When your brain whispers, "I don't feel like it," you say, "Good. That means I must." You turn pain into the trigger, not the warning. You stop chasing comfort. You start chasing resistance. And that's when your brain starts to shift. Here's the next step. The 3-second kill switch. Every time you hesitate, your brain gains power. That's why you act fast. No thoughts. Just action. You wake up and want to hit snooze. 3, 2, 1, up. You see the cold shower and hesitate. 3, 2, 1, in. You doubt yourself before the workout. 3, 2, 1, go. Action kills overthinking. Speed destroys self-doubt. 3 seconds, that's your window. Use it. Next, rewire your dopamine. Most people think dopamine is pleasure. It's not. It's motivation. It's pursuit. If your brain gets dopamine from comfort, it will seek comfort. But if you train it to get dopamine from effort, discipline, challenge, discomfort, it will crave the hard things. So start small. After every workout, celebrate. After every scary task, acknowledge the win. Teach your brain that effort equals reward. You're not removing dopamine, you're reassigning it. Now comes the war mode. You don't need a 50-step morning routine. You need a daily discomfort ritual, cold shower, 100 push-ups, deep work, speaking up, waking up before the sun, something that punches your weakness in the face. Every single day. Not because it's fun, but because it trains your brain to submit. You're not rewiring your day. You're rewiring your identity. Most people wait until they feel ready, until they feel motivated, until it's convenient. But warriors don't wait to feel anything. They decide who they are, and then they act like it. Tell your brain, "I'm not lazy. I've just been trained to avoid pain. But that ends today." And then do something hard. And do it again tomorrow. You're not completing a task. You're becoming the kind of person who thrives under pressure. You've obeyed your brain long enough. That version of you, the one who chose easy, dies today. From now on, you do the hard things. Rewire, rise, repeat.